So today I'm out at a local scrapyard, Kenny Upel. I'll show you around as I go and get what I'm looking for, and we'll have some fun. Okay, so today I'm planning on pulling the front clip on this. So the bumper support, the front rad support, and the lower one as well. Mine didn't come with any of that, and this one's a coupe, so it should all line up pretty decently. So I'm gonna start cutting her up and unbolting what I need from it. be it for here.